Good morning, Sarah here, and I am up bright and early this morning to give you a little update on a pilot program we have going on. Any guesses as to where I am this morning? If you guessed Carvoth Exchange for the double-decker bus pilot program, you were correct.
It's cool, super cool, and fun to ride.
We are nearing the end of our double-decker bus adventure today, and I'm curious to know, when you ride the double-decker bus, or if you were to ride the double-decker bus, would you be a top floor passenger or a bottom floor passenger? Let me know in the messages below.